What's going on? We're back with another one. Yeah, man, my bad for not making no recordings or nothing. But we're gonna start on this little dump truck again. Here we go, what we're doing. I tore it down from the inside. It was all messed up, so we're adding this. I'm gonna weld it up today. And I started tearing down the bed, cutting all the run out pieces. I'll make a little video of this shit. Got a new welding hood, little cheapo one. My other one was out of there. This plate came up. What we're gonna do is put that up on there, weld it all up, weld all these plates that were in there, and see from there. What we're gonna do now is fucking hot. And, so what I'm gonna do is cut these little gusset plates. See them right there? Got them cut out. I'm gonna reuse that one. Just clean it up. I'm gonna put those right there as supports on the side. One on the inside, one on the outside. That should be it for this. But yeah. Alright, so this is the little gusset plates we're gonna put right here to hold this up. We'll put them in, hold them out. Tear this door apart. We'll jump it off. Yeah, here to make a new one. Y'all stay tuned. We got a chain fall. We're gonna tie it up to that. We're gonna rig it up to that and lay it down on that. So we're gonna try to do that right now. I'm gonna move the truck over here. I'm gonna pull that bed off, the door off, and go on from there. We got the door off. It's free floating right there. Set it on there. That's gonna be my little work table for right now.